The Galaxy S20 FE has officially reached the end of its journey. Samsung's first fan edition smartphone is no longer getting software updates, marking the end of an impressive 5-year run. When the Galaxy S20 FE launched back in 2020, it became an instant hit, offering flagship-level performance and features at a much more affordable price. Over the years, Samsung supported it well, pushing out 3 major Android OS upgrades and 5 full years of security updates. That's a solid lifespan for any Android phone. But as of now, the S20 FE's software story has officially come to a close. So what happens next for users who still love their fan edition phones? More importantly, what about the Galaxy S21 FE? Is it next in line to lose support? Thankfully, the answer is no, not yet. The Galaxy S21 FE still has some time left on the clock. In fact, Samsung has been treating this phone quite generously. It recently received the One UI 8 update, based on Android 16, its final major OS upgrade. That means the phone is now up to date with the latest Samsung interface and Android features. While it won't be getting any more full Android version upgrades, the Galaxy S21 FE will continue to receive security updates for at least another 2 years. Right now, the phone is on a monthly update schedule, which means it still gets regular patches to fix bugs, improve security, and maintain stability. Sometime next year, it's expected that Samsung will move the S21 FE to a quarterly update schedule, where updates come once every 3 months. That's the usual pattern for Samsung devices nearing the end of their life cycle. After that, it will eventually reach full end-of support status, similar to the S20 FE now. But there's still more good news. Samsung isn't quite done improving the S21 FE experience. The phone is expected to get One UI 8.5 in 2026. This update won't be a major Android version change, but it will include new features, visual tweaks, and general performance improvements. It should give the S21 FE a nice final refresh before its support officially ends. Interestingly, the Galaxy S21 FE is in a unique position among Samsung phones. It was the only model in the S21 lineup to launch later, nearly a year after the original S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra. Because of that, it came with a newer version of Android out of the box and stayed a step ahead in software updates. In fact, that's why it's now on par with the Galaxy S22 series when it comes to software support. So even though it's technically from the previous generation, the S21 FE is aging a bit more gracefully than expected. For users, this means you can confidently hold onto your Galaxy S21 FE for at least another couple of years. You'll continue receiving important security patches, and with One UI 8.5 likely arriving next year, the phone will stay modern and functional for a while longer. Of course, if you're starting to think about an upgrade, Samsung already has the perfect successor, the Galaxy S25 FE. This model continues the fan edition tradition by offering premium performance and features at a mid-range price. But what really stands out is its software policy. The Galaxy S25 FE is eligible for 7 years of OS upgrades and 7 years of security updates. That's a massive leap forward compared to what the S21 FE received. It means if you buy it today, it'll stay supported all the way into the 2030s, which is incredible for any Android device. So to sum it all up, the Galaxy S20 FE has reached the end of its software life, but it definitely leaves behind a strong legacy. It proved that Samsung could deliver a fan-favorite phone that balanced performance, price, and longevity. The Galaxy S21 FE is still alive and kicking, with at least 2 more years of updates left and 1 more major One UI version to come. It's still a great phone to use in 2025 and beyond. And for anyone ready to move on, the Galaxy S25 FE is shaping up to be a worthy replacement, faster, smarter, and backed by one of the best long-term update policies in the Android world. So while one fan edition era ends, another one is just getting started.